Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SendGrid with Salesforce for transactional tracking step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher in the upper left corner of the screen. Search for and select Setup. In the Setup menu, look for App Manager in the left sidebar and click on it. Click the New Connected App button located in the upper right corner. Fill out the required fields under Basic Information for your new connected app. For Connected App Name, enter a suitable name, such as SendGrid Integration. In the API Name field, this should auto-populate, but you can customize it if needed. Next, enter your contact email in the Contact Email field. Scroll down to the API, Enable OAuth Settings section and check the box to enable it. In the Callback URL field, enter the URL provided by SendGrid for callbacks. In the Selected OAuth Scopes section, add the necessary permissions, such as full access and perform requests on your behalf at any time. After configuring the settings, click Save to create your connected app. Note the consumer key and consumer secret generated for your app, as you will need these for SendGrid. Now, log into your SendGrid account. Navigate to the Settings menu and select API Keys. Click the Create API Key button. Name your API key and select the permissions that match your requirements. After creating the key, copy it for use in Salesforce. Return to your Salesforce account. In the Setup menu, search for Remote Site Settings. Click New Remote Site. Fill out the remote site name and enter the SendGrid. Save the new remote site settings. Now, go to Process Builder in Salesforce. Click New to create a new process. Name your process and select the object you wish to track transactions for. Set the trigger for your process appropriately. Add criteria to execute the actions only when certain conditions are met. Next, add an action within the process to make an HTTP callout. Select Apex as the action type and choose the Apex class that integrates with SendGrid. Make sure to configure the action with the necessary parameters using the API key you generated. Once everything is set up, activate your process. Now, test the integration by triggering the specified action in Salesforce. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.